Elizabeth. Most of you know me. We sort of attend Trinity. It's a little questionable at this point, but our house flooded, 5.5 feet. Not very fun. In this whole year, the way that things have progressed and the way that God has taken care of us is just pretty amazing. We had to leave our house. We lived in an apartment for a few months, and then we moved into my brother's home, which was also flooded, just not flooded as badly as our house had. So he had only a couple inches, and we had 5 feet. So it was a no-brainer there. But Reach helped us put my brother's house back together, and it was a tremendous blessing to just have a place to live and, bathrooms and a kitchen, sort of. So it's taken just about the whole year to get my brother's fixed up. So I don't even imagine where we would still be if we were fixing our house, which, basically our biggest prayer once we realized the extent of the damage to our home was to be having the county buy us out. And that was a long shot, but, we were given the opportunity through, my brother's flooded house that we could stay in to have a place to live and not pour a bunch of money back into our house to try to fix it up. So we held out, and we finally do have confirmation that the county is buying our house. It's not a completed deal yet, but it is going to happen. So finally, this past Saturday, we moved into a new home that we just got. So we're really, really excited to have a house that is not flooded. Yeah. So that's been a tremendous blessing. I mean, we've had, just like everybody else, just a series of things, and you're just thinking to yourself, God, what else could I possibly handle this year? And surprisingly, you ask that question, you might get answers that you weren't really prepared for. But I'm not going to go into all of that. But I just want to say thank you so much to the Reach team. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Victoria. And all the people that are here right now. And thank you, Trinity family. You guys are truly, truly awesome. And we are so, so blessed to be a part of this community, even though we don't make it over here on Sundays very often. But we really love you all. We're so thankful to everything and everyone. And it's been a tough year, but it definitely has been a year to realize just what a wonderful community we are a part of. One just did not know what a fantastic community we have until you're really in some really tough situations and your friends and family just come together for you and carry you through some really, really tough times. So thank you all.